What if I told you there's a frog so mysterious, you can see right through it? Meet the glass frog, nature's living illusion. Its skin is so clear you can literally see its heart beating and its stomach digesting food. But here's the genius part. This transparency isn't just cool, it's a survival superpower. When it rests on a leaf, the glass frog's see-through body makes it nearly invisible to predators, like it's disappearing into thin air. And it gets even crazier. Male glass frogs guard their eggs at night, bravely fighting off wasps and insects to protect their young. A tiny frog with a warrior's heart. A frog you can't see until it wants you to. That's nature's stealth mode at its finest.